Go.
Ever since I was about 7 or 8, I've always been fascinated at extraterrestrial life and how it could be real. This made me want to learn more about other possible forms of life. Although there have been many sightings of UFOs, none of them have been confirmed. Sadly, I've never seen any phenomena. It still drives me crazy thinking that there could possibly be other forms of life out there than just us. The question of whether aliens are real or not is one of the most fascinating phenomena for humans. On one side, the universe is endlessly large. There are billions of stars and other planets that could support life, scientists have said. Some UFO sightings have remained unexplained or been debunked. This is what keeps the mystery going. On the other hand, despite decades of research, there has been no concrete evidence, no confirmed signals or encounters. So whilst it is possible that extraterrestrial life exists somewhere, we just haven't found it yet. However, I do have some reasons of why there could be other possible forms of life than just us. My first theory is the size of the universe. The sheer size of the universe makes it hard to think that Earth is the only planet where life exists, and I'm sure you feel the same too. In our galaxy, there are billions of stars and billions of other planets beyond that. Scientists have discovered some exoplanets, which are in the habitable zone. This is where planets are far enough away from the stars to where liquid water could exist. This makes us statistics that life somewhere else could exist more likely, even though we haven't found it yet. My second theory is UFOs and unexplained phenomena. Over the years, there have been many reports of UFO sightings and strange occurrences in the sky. In recent years, governments have declassified some of these reports, which fuel speculations between us, doesn't it? Whilst many of these incidences have been attributed to natural or man-made occurrences, many are still unknown of why they happened. Does this point towards alien life or things we just don't understand yet? So where does this leave us? The possibility of alien life remains open for investigation. We may be alone in the universe, or maybe we will uncover a groundbreaking discovery which changes everything. But for now, we will just have to push the boundaries of what we know and keep on learning. I shall now leave you with one question. Do you believe in aliens?
Okay. Right, James, so have you ever heard of the Fermi paradox?
I don't believe I have.
Right. There's a guy called, I think his name is James Fermi, and he basically said, where is everybody?
Yeah.
You know, if the universe is so big, there must be other life somewhere, statistically.
Yeah.
And so one thing he also said is it could be that life has existed, but at an earlier time than human life. So it's not like other civilizations will exist at the same time, because we've only been around for a few 100,000 years.
Yeah.
There's billions of years, and so we might get to a point where we cease to exist, and then on another planet somewhere, an alien race grows up and starts to, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So rather than everybody existing at the same time and just not being able to find each other, because they're all existing at different times, that's why we've never seen anybody.
No.
Because they existed 1,000 years ago and now don't exist, or they might exist 1,000 years in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a fascinating subject. I mean, I believe there must be, statistically.
There has to be.
You know, there has to be, and there's got to be a planet somewhere. There's thousands, millions, billions of planets, and there's billions of planets where there is like the zone, as you say, far enough from the sun to be habitable. I think they call it M-class planets.
Yeah, or exoplanets.
Yeah. Right, James, thank you very much.